Jump up, Kara, jump up. Romeo's in the snow.
Romeo!
No! Battery.
It's too battery.
Too battery. You gotta come Chris.
Hey, Romeo.
I got the kid, I got the kid.
Too battery. Got you.
Dang, you done bit the dust.
Oh, God. I took myself down. I took myself down.
I can't get up.
Yeah, Jordan, I thought your cell phone was like secure.
Thanks.
Okay.
Hold this! Hold this! Hold this! Two sides have
Hold the sides, Kara.
that. That's good.
There we go.
Yeah. Get away, Snow.
David, you might have to push. Your mommy's gonna be too tired.
Good job, David. Thank you for helping.
This is a winter wonderland. I got the kids out. My son is home from college. They're trying to build a snowman with his best girl, Camille, who's home from college, Agnes Scott, and Jordan's home from Indiana Tech, and Charlie, our future college-bound high school senior. They're attempting to make a snowman. My neighbor is pulling the little ones around on a little sled somewhere. And we finally have Dave, the plowman, has finally arrived, but I kind of got stuck, so all the men in the neighborhood, except for Tom, is out trying to dig him out so that we can get plowed out. Is this not beautiful? Yeah, that's Tom's house.